What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another lit video, man. Hey, the show must go on, baby. Let's keep it going. So look, I'm gonna show you how to create your own money train, man. Nobody will do this, so I'm gonna do it. Just for the people. You know what I'm saying? So I need to create a members only, thing, because I be want to do this for people who support me. You know what I'm saying? If you're using my links in the description, whatever, man, I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? I get so many messages in my Telegram, changing people's lives. They ain't never made no money. They making money now. It's like, hey man, hey, you don't owe me nothing, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? So this is a part of that too. I'm gonna show you how to take these gains and make your own BNB money train. You understand? Now you ain't gotta do it exactly the way I do it, but you'll understand the concept. You understand? So let's get to it. Right. So we all in BNB Stake. We all in BNB BNB. We all in FOMO Stake. And I ain't gonna even count. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Wow. By the time you see this probably over 10,000. I'm not sure when I'm gonna release this video. I might not even release. I might not even want these secrets out. So if you see it, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. But wow, this is awesome, man. I'm gonna have to go in one more time. But I ain't gonna even count this. But we're gonna just start with BNB Stake because most people are in this. So if you're in BNB Stake, this is how you create your own money train, right? You take your earnings, like I'm gonna take my earnings. This is not referrals, nothing, just from what I got in the platform. Just from what I got in the platform. No referrals or nothing. Just what I got. So anybody can do this. So I earn approximately about 12 BNB a day from BNB Stake, right? So that's just from that. Now, what I do is I take that and I combine it with this. Now, before I was taking my earnings from BNB Stake and I put it in this space farm, the OX BNB liquidity pool. You come over here, you can either do it from here or you can do it from here. I show you how to do that. I showed you before, but I'll show you that later on. That ain't what's important. The numbers are what's important. So from here, I earn about 15, sometimes I get 17. I'm doing the low end. I earn about 1,500 OXB a day, right? You've seen me do that on camera a few times. This is verified information. Hell, I got 243 now, and I already did it. So when I do, I come to PancakeSwap, right? So that's about, let me show you. Come on, Swappy. Let's go, PancakeSwap. Let's go. Fill in now. Let's go now. All right. So that gives me OX token, which I'm going to show you right now. This is how you create it. This is how you create it now. Alright, so I get 1,500 OXB tokens, which gets me. Gotta wait till it fill in. Come on now. Add it up. Come on now. 14 BNB. So you add the 12 to the 14, that gives me about 26 BNB. Mind you, this ain't got nothing to do with. I ain't adding in FOMO Stake. I ain't even adding in my BDollar, what I'm getting over here. I ain't adding in none of that. You know what I'm saying? So none of my Tron highs, none of my flow, none of that. So take that with a grain of salt. So now we take that 26 BNB, right? What I do is I divide it up. Now it depends on where you at. You just started, so you got to do one or the other. Me, I divide it up, right? Let's see how much that is a day. We'll do it like this. Keep it simple. Now we use BUSD, but it's the same thing. I don't even feel like scrolling through. Keep the video short. So let's see, what's that? 26 BNB. That's almost $7,000 a day, bro. Verified. I ain't walking through the neighborhood looking through no camera. I ain't sitting in the car. I'm sure this is verified information, bro. That's why I'm not impressed when somebody, I make $2,000. I put in 6,000. This and then BNB. But I'm doing this with minimal effort. And you can do it too. I'm letting out the secrets. You can do it too. Sometimes I send this straight to my account. You know what I'm saying? I come over here to Simple Swap. Put in BNB. You know what I'm saying? Put in Litecoin. See that? See, I use Litecoin because ETH fees are too high. Bitcoin is too slow. And I just put in my Litecoin address, hit exchange, and they send me Litecoin to my Coinbase in my account. I don't need it, but it looked good in my account. I'm just keeping it real. That's 35, almost 36 Litecoin. I can do this every day. I do it maybe every other day. Who don't like seeing money in their account? You gotta enjoy the fruits of your labor, guys. So do that sometime, but until you get to that point, you continue to do this. So let's say what I do, I take that and I take half the BNB and I get BDO. I get BNB BDO, right? And I get the liquidity pool tokens and I come over here to the farm, to the PancakeSwap farm, right? And let me show you this. Where's mine? Right here. Right here. Right here. I'm in it. See that? That's verified information. I'm in it. Got 410 tokens. Ain't a whole lot, but it's free. Remember, I was out of cake. I had sold all my cake. I was out of it. You know what I'm saying? And let me show you this. Go to yield. Yield watch. 14. This is all from BNB Stake. Free money. I put it in the pool. It drips out cake. See that cake? That's free. You see that? If BNB Stake go down today, I'm good. I ain't even got to turn my computer on. I can come back a year from now and I'm gonna have all this cake piled up in here. Cake might be $100. You see? You see how easy this is, guys? Nobody's want to show you this. They just want to look in the camera and tell you about you shouldn't be doing it, you shouldn't be doing it. Okay, what should I do then? You know what I'm saying? If I want to be safe, I can go to the bank and get a CD. I get a 6-month CD, 12-month CD, and go on about my business. You watching me, I'm trying to get you to stop working. I'm trying to get you to get that Lambo you want. Get that Tesla, get whatever. Now, you might want to kill a Hyundai. I wouldn't advise that. No different. I don't know you personally. Some of y'all driving them, so don't get mad at me. I don't know you personally, man. It just ain't my flavor. We doing this for the Lambos, baby. Win Lambo. You know what I'm saying? So if you confused, man, that's how you do it. Get your BNB, come to PancakeSwap, swap it out for BDO, and you can do a lot with that. You can come over here to BDollar. Let me show you this. Let me go back to shares. See that BDO BNB? See that? It's paying 365%. You see that? And you earn SBDO. SBDO is back up over 3,000. It's free, so I don't care what the price is. It's free. You see what I'm saying? I don't even have to check this. And I'm going to earn SBDO. I don't even need a number to be over here as long as I got numbers here. 0.1 of these is worth what? $370? I earn about 0.1 a day, something like that, give or take. That $370 extra. So you can start with this. This is quote unquote safe. You know what I'm saying? They made a little hiccup, you know what I mean? But they disabled it. There was a little exploit with this right here, so I got out, you know what I'm saying? But I'm back. They said sorry, they disabled. So I'm back in. I keep it 100. I ain't gonna hide nothing from you, man. I'm back in it. It is what it is. But my main source is right here. It's this ox. This thing is paying out like a mother. I don't know how they doing this, bro. I ain't even mentioned this. I'm in this one. I'm getting these SCB tokens. The price keep going up on these. I ain't even mentioned this because I don't want to confuse. I want to keep it simple for the people who, one thing at a time. Just come over here, do this one. It's 650%. And I'm hurting myself because you know what's going to happen. Everybody going to come in here, then they're going to switch it up and do something else. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hurting myself. But as long as they paying it, I want you to get it too. We can all rise together, baby. For free. I'm telling you this free information. Do this if you don't do nothing else. You're going to see the magic happen right here. Now it's a 10% withdrawal fee, what I call it. It go back to the farm to keep the farm going. I'm cool with that. It's printing so much. I'm cool with it. Everybody got in this, can't believe it. So add this to your drip. And when you harvest it, you'll see. You know what I'm saying? Like, let me see, look, 251. This may be what? 2 hours worth? 251. Let me show you. 251 of the OXB token. Let me show you how this thing paying out, bro. 251. That's $642. That's crazy. I shouldn't even be showing you. This is Patreon worthy stuff. This is members only worthy stuff. You're not gonna get this anywhere else. And that's just with 3 things, man. BNB Stake, PancakeSwap, and Oxbull. Now, Oxbull consists of a lot of stuff, so you'll get confused over here. You say this is actually the space farm, but you go to Oxbull Scroll down to the Space Cowboy and click Space Farm. That'll bring you here. Keep this up because you'll get confused and don't know where to go back to. Keep this up. Get this liquidity pool. I'm telling you, man, come down here. Put it in right here. What's gonna happen? You're gonna see like a box come up and say you can't do it or whatever. It's gonna be a long number. Don't try to get it all. Come to the end and then backspace some of them numbers off of it. Then it'll go through. Because you know the numbers get too long, the computer can't read all them 100 numbers. So backspace some of them numbers off. You ain't gonna lose no money. Backspace some of them numbers off and then click approve and stake. And you're gonna earn this money right here. It's a beautiful thing, bro. Like I said, and that'll be your little money train. Now eventually, BNB Stake and BNB FOMO, look at that, man, that thing is good God. BNB Stake and BNB FOMO are going to end. So we got to come up with some new stuff to keep that train going. Or you don't. I don't even have to do it because I got my stuff already going. Once you get in here and get it going, you'll see your train every day just adding up like wow, 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 wow. And that enhances the power of BNB Stake and FOMO. That's why you don't need no more clones. What you need them for? You know what I'm saying? Put your money where it can make more money with BNB. This is all about BNB. That's why I don't hold BNB. We earning it every day, all the time. You know what I'm saying? So, hey man, this is good information. All I ask is use my links in the description, man. I don't ask for no Patreon, no membership, no donation. Use my links. I give you this information, bro. I appreciate it. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at you, boy.